Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling everything you need: article text, images, captions, and source links. Once the files are collected, import the text into your chosen editor, Word, Google Docs, or your CMS, and run OCR on scans at 300 dpi to avoid transcription errors. Make sure to load the newspaper style guide now so edits follow rules consistently. Start with global passes. Correct encoding, remove hidden characters, and normalize quotes and dashes before diving into sentence-level edits. Now focus on structure and style. First, tighten the lead to roughly 25-35 words so it conveys who, what, where, and when. Once done, reorder supporting paragraphs by importance. Make AP-style conversions for dates, numerals, and titles to match the paper. Use find/replace for consistency. Next, break long paragraphs and clip excess adverbs while preserving quoted material verbatim. Finally, verify names, spellings, and attributions against primary sources, so factual accuracy. To finish, run an automated grammar check, and then read the piece aloud to catch rhythm and missing words. After that, format headlines, subheads, and captions to fit your layout templates. Once satisfied, export to PDF or ICML for the pagination team and archive original text and assets. Make sure versioning is clear. Add edit notes and timestamps. If page layout shifts or text gets truncated, check for stray hidden characters and text boxes. Then reflow the article and re-export as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.